So this is the penthouse we have booked in Malta, master bedroom. My goodness, look at the size of this bedroom, right? And then entrance, you have got twin room here. And then we have got a double bed here. And then we have got the washroom, shower. This is the sitting room, dining, and interestingly, you have got a bed here as well. Just behind, this is a penthouse. I'm going to show you the outside in a minute. Dining area. And
nothing.
then we have got the kitchen. And after the kitchen, penthouse. Abdullah, is it good? This way. Come here. Come here, this way. So the outside space, this is a flat in St Julian. And this is the outside space of the penthouse. Right. Come here. St Julian. So guys, that's his studio. I went to Sicily and Malta. Soon you will see my episode on 3 episodes on Malta. At the moment I'm in Athens and I met these lovely ladies who are Maltese.
Joanna and Natalie.
And we introduced each other and I found they're from Malta and I explained about my visit, an amazing visit to Malta. So just a few words about the rest of the world.
Come to see our lovely little island. We welcome you.
It's a very friendly island. We will welcome you with open arms. Lots of sunny climates, beautiful open seas. Can't wait to see you guys.
And
Can't
good
wait to
food.
see you. We have good food. We are very friendly. We love people from all over the world. So come to our lovely island, Malta and Gozo.
Amazing. And guys, there are so much to do. At least I think you need whole week. Blue waters, boat tours. You can go to island
And
of
you
Gozo.
can actually rent a boat from North Coast Boat
Rent a-
Charters. I am a skipper and I
There you go.
drive some ribs for the wonderful company North Coast, based down in St Paul's Bay. Give us a shout out.
Thank you very much. So nice of you. Thank you.